Marci, and I looked at her videos, and she has there's a phrase she says, it's called "results don't lie," and how her life is just one of magic, bliss, miracles, and I just went right to the source. So I just started following her. I was looking at her YouTube videos and reading her books, and I had her in my ears all the time, doing my dishes, going around my house, and just listening to her book. And finally saw she was coming to the United States to do, sacred plant medicine. And it was calling me. Can't explain how, but I had no fear to do it. And just coming out of Journey to Remembrance, this is one of the last days, and I'm filled with so much profound change within my being, and how to work with the energy now, and oh my God, there's so much I can say. I am just so beyond grateful for Marci and her whole crew and Cami. If you have any inclination to be with Marci, I can't say enough about it, and I love her so much. I love everybody so much, and thank you. I never worked with sacred plant medicine before. This was my very first time. I just trusted my inner voice. I really had no fear going in, and the way Marci just led me to just expand, like one of the main things I'm coming away with is expanding into what you feel. And I got this, I don't know, for lack of a better way to put it, at this exact moment, like a revelation of expanding, like past any fear that you have. Once you get, just to go through that fear wall, like once I got past that fear wall, there's nothing more to fear. It's like it's just beautiful, like crystalline bliss, really. And I know there's more and more layers, but the way she facilitated, I don't think God could do it better. Himself, herself, itself. It was just absolutely, it was my journey to the remembrance of who I truly am. Chills. It's holy. It's sacred. When she first walked into the house, might sound silly, but I was actually starstruck. Like I just want to be with her all the time, but I know she will be and is with me all the time. She is completely the embodiment of what she brings out into the world. Like there is no better example of a human, I'll say it, practicing what they preach, walking the walk, embodying and integrating what she teaches, and just feel very safe, completely like non-judgmental. Anything goes. It's exactly the space that I was called to and that I need to be able to go home and truly be myself. It's just an absolutely magical, it really truly is a magical space, and it's like you're just completely provided for. There's so much abundance in this space. There's so much love, so much support. I mean, it really is a magical space, like anything you need. It's like right there. Just like ask for it, it's right there. It's like, it doesn't get better than this. Just love it. Well, I'd say hands down, go to the best, go to Marci, go straight to Marci, and just get, just take it in, and she will enter into you, and she will send you away with how to take it into your everyday life, so you can implement and you can just stay with it. The magic will stay with you. Right now, that's what I say.
Beautiful.
My honor and pleasure, truly. Thank you.
Blessings.
Blessings.